Swish, swish. Did you leave the water running in the kitchen? Nope, it was just the dishwasher. Don't worry, it's normal for your dishwasher to make some noises while it's running a cycle. In this video, I'll go over which sounds are ordinary and which ones you should investigate. That watery sound you're hearing is just the dishwasher cleaning a load. The noise comes from water being sprayed onto the dishes. If your dishwasher has the water wall feature, the sound could also be from the special water wall vane moving back and forth. On the other hand, if you hear a low humming or buzzing sound, there's nothing to be alarmed about. This sound is caused by the drain pump, which runs at the beginning and end of each cycle to remove residual water. But if the humming or buzzing is very loud, there may be something stuck in the pump's impeller. Inspect the drain filter and pump and clean them if necessary. Each dishwasher model is a little different, so please refer to your user manual for specific instructions on checking or cleaning the pump. In addition, you should check the dishwasher's water supply. If it's not connected properly or turned off, it could be the source of the noise. We recommend connecting the dishwasher to a hot water line for the best performance. Hear a tapping or knocking sound from inside the dishwasher? Your dishes may not be properly arranged. Rearrange them so that they're not touching the rotating sprayer or the water wall deflector. Another possibility is that the filter is loose and moving around the bottom of the dishwasher. Check to see if the filter is installed properly. Most of the sounds we mentioned are no problem at all, but if you hear an abnormal or extremely loud noise, you should contact Samsung support to make sure everything is okay with your dishwasher.